What's up, guys? New day today, a new task. I'm gonna be picking up my new side skirts for my car. Well, new to me side skirts. They're probably about 20 years old at this point. You guys will see them when they're on the car. But yeah, let's go pick it up. Traffic in the DMV is pretty bad, so it's 40-minute drive turned into an hour 40, simply because, you know, I'm passing through the main parts of Virginia, DC, and Maryland, I guess. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright, while the car gets warmed up, I'm gonna go get ready. Alright, as you can see, I'm in a different car. Had to get a different car because I'm not driving all the way here. The window's down, it's burning hot. And then two, I mean, my AC works, it's just, I prefer not to use it. But yeah, they're right there. I'll get a closer look and like when I get home. I got 10% right now. Hopefully my phone doesn't die and I don't lose out on the GPS because I have no idea where I am. All right, bet. I'll see y'all later. All right, guys, I'm back. Had to make a quick pit stop. I got a Slurpee. It's hot outside and I feel like I had to treat myself. And also, I don't know how people live in Maryland. This place is so weird. You see a lot of interesting things going on, you know? Maybe I'm not from here, so it's weird to me, but dude, it's an interesting place. Shout out to every Marylander out there. I had to run back into 7-Eleven. I needed a charger. Paid $12 for this charger. Worth it? No. It's freaking short, and then it's also like a garbage one. So, but I just needed a USB-C charger. But you know, tough times never last, so it's okay. I take everything I've said about Maryland back. This place is kind of cool. GTR like right over there. I don't know if you can see it. Pretty nice. Okay, back home. Side skirts are right here. Side skirts are these right here. They're not metallic millennium silver. They're just they're like some darker Lexus color. I don't think they're thunderclap metallic, but they're something of the sort. Low key, don't even need to paint match it that much. At night, it looks exactly the same. So, yeah. But, dude, ABS plastic, OEM part, it's pretty good. Very good, actually. They're Modelista side skirts, so hopefully it'll go on smoothly. I do need to get the bumper clips, I mean the little tabs, and then they'll be on smoothly. All right, got them in my part storage room, as you can see. Sneak peek of the rear bumper. But yeah, Modelista side skirts. Vice's rear lip with it's molded onto the bumper. But yeah, you got to clean it up and then it should be good to go. I mean, it's really close to like the Millennium Metallic Silver, as you can see. Hold on, comparing it to the bumper, at least that's in my freaking house. It's like really close to the color, so I don't even think I need to paint match this. Hopefully, but yeah, should be good. All right, it's time to test fit the side skirts. I already got bolts off. Pretty much just going to be removing this. Not going to be putting the underskirt, like little clips underneath yet. I don't even know if I'm going to get those. If it's a tight enough fit, I'm probably just going to leave it as is. And same thing right here. You don't need to take off any of the wheels. People are lying to you. You just need a small enough screwdriver or extended socket and you can take these right off. Clean, waited for it to dry, and we'll mount it. Okay, I got it test fitted. It's a little jiggly here and there, obviously because there's no screws down here holding anything. But currently it's just in those two. And then I don't want to drill a hole here, so I'm gonna leave that as is, and then hopefully get the under tabs and it'll make it sturdier than normal. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty straight, looks pretty good. All right, we've got them both installed. They're just loosely fitted. Right there. How's it looking? Got it right there too. It's still loose like that, like you can flex it, but nothing little 3M can fix or bumper clips. But yeah, should be good after that. And then I'm liking the way they look. Yeah, we'll get some pictures of them on the car real quick. I'll probably just drive it up the road and then down back here. Just take some pictures. All right, I've got the car in direct sunlight, so in more open area. As you can see, it is much darker compared to my Millennium Metallic Silver. It's okay though. I'm not gonna stress the paint match for a while. I'm gonna paint that. I'll get professionally painted. I don't care about that because it's polyurethane. But pretty much, yeah, this is all that I got going on. There's a bus coming, I gotta go.